Hey, what's up? Welcome to another What's in the Box. I got this smart doorbell camera. Let's check it out. So this thing has long-lasting battery, rechargeable, customized motion detection alarm, cloud coverage, IP65 waterproof, Wi-Fi connection, 2K resolution with super night vision, easy to install, voice control, two-way audio live. So we'll open it up and check it out. Back of the box real fast. These are the same people that sent me the indoor baby monitor / home security. Here's what's in the box. Got directions. We got this little sticker on how to install it. Got the doorbell. It's got like a kind of like a, I don't know, like a little marble feel to it. Look. Peel this back. Oops. Some stickers. Maybe you can customize it, put some stickers on it. The card it came with. So it comes with a chime that you plug into your outlet. Let's go one piece at a time. Here's the doorbell. Crack it open. Hopefully it comes with the battery, the back into it. I'm sure it does. That's what it looks like out of the box. Oh yeah, here's the battery. Little plate that screws into the wall outside. There's so many doorbells and so many smart cameras out there on the market. Battery accessories. Everything you need to hook up your doorbell. A wired connection for your internet. We'll figure that one out. A charging cable. And you got your battery. And last but not least, the chime that plugs into your outlet. So you can, like, if you have a floor outlet or whatnot, you can do that. And that's what you get in the box. I will be testing this out and hooking it up and telling you more and showing you video footage and everything. And I did another video that you can check out on my YouTube channel of the baby camera monitor slash webcam, whatever you want to use it for. All right. It's got this little protective thing over here. Peel off. There we go. Took the protective sticker off of it.